Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to upvote on posts on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First here, choose any post you want, and you will find this icons here. Just click on it or click like this, and that's how to upvote on posts on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.